I'm using the inner wood of an alder tree to make this bow drill set because everything around here just has like this moisture clinging to it. My socks that I dried last night haven't dried whatsoever. I don't think anything will really dry out here. But the inside of this wood is bone dry. So. It's a bunch of sap. This is the bark of the cedar tree scraped off. This is nice and dry and it's gonna make my tinder bundle. I'm just gonna take that little bit of sap that I found earlier and put it in here to create less friction. You can see it glowing, look. Oh, look at that. There we go. Nice.